What's up, y'all? Shane Heath here, and as you saw from the intro, we're going to be working on the 4Runner again today. Now this is our 2019 SR5 4Runner, which we have nicknamed Project MomRunner. Well, because it's a mom runner. It's a street beast that never really sees off-road, but we're going to build it because the wife's got to look good while she's riding around too. Now if you were looking at our last video, you'll see that we actually came to the front here and we put last fit LED bulbs in it, high beam, low beam, and our fog lights were already stock LEDs, so we have a matching look now. Now today, we're going to be working on this grill. So it's time we swap out this grill for the 4Runner Lifestyle TRD grill. And this one's a little bit different than saying Toyota on the front. It actually says 4Runner, which you saw in the intro, but it looks so much better. It's really cool. I love it. And somebody else wants to talk in the background. We're actually out here by the farm today, so you're going to hear the cows in the background. But with all that said, let's go ahead and show you how this was packaged up, sent to us, and we're going to get moving right into the installation, which I'm not going to bore you with the time lapse. I'm going to go ahead and show you when it's on here. We'll just do a quick little, just like that, this thing's completely transformed. I don't know about y'all, but this looks sick. I love the idea of having the 4Runner logo instead of saying Toyota. It's a little bit different. Not everybody has it, and that's the name of the game when it comes to customizing your vehicles. So the next thing I haven't made my mind up on yet is the lower valence here, whether I want to get the TRD valence cover that goes on here and wrap it matte gray to match. Haven't really made my mind up on that. We might just do a bumper. I don't want a full bumper, or she doesn't. Maybe just the one that's hidden here. This, I think it's called a stealth bumper with the winch in it and a light bar. We might do that. I ain't really made my mind up yet. I don't know if I want to spend that money on it yet. I actually spent my own hard money on this 4Runner Lifestyle. Did not sponsor this video. They did not send me this product. And after seeing this, the wife wants to spend a little bit more money with them. So what we're going to do is we're going to order some Raptor lights to go on the grill here, just to complete the look. She hasn't decided whether she wants to do the clear smoked look or she wants to do the orange lights. Everything right now is clear LEDs. We might go orange just to throw it off a little bit, but I'm not 100% sure yet.
One of the things I was prepared for was the fact that each letter was hard to get on nice and straight. So what I did is I took and measured from the bottom of the piece of bumper here, went 1 inch up, put a couple pencil marks, then I took a piece of blue painter's tape and went across. This gave me a nice clean crisp line. I also measured the center of the bumper so I could start my center of my letter, which I knew was about the point of the end. So I put that in on and worked my way back to the left and then also back to the right. So that way I was perfectly centered when I finished putting the logo on, or the 4Runner. And then when I was done, I pulled off the blue tape. This gave me a nice clean line across the bottom, which allowed everything to be nice and straight. And I went back and pressed all the letters down and finished sticking them completely. I just kind of barely stuck them as I was working my way in case I needed to peel them off and start again. But they're on there now and everything's nice and square and clean, and I centered it up. So I would say take your time, make sure you get this right. This would be my #1 complaint with this, is the fact they don't sell that 4Runner as one solid logo.
And with that, that's the end of this video. It wasn't a lot going on today. We were just working on this front bumper, making sure this thing looked good. It didn't take me maybe 25 minutes to fix it. Honestly, making sure it was straight was honestly the biggest headache. Like I said, I explained my process for that. But I won't bore y'all with the time lapse. I'm gonna throw it at the end of this video. And with all that said, this is Shane Heath. I'll catch you in the next video.